blood, guys.
Ooh.
The name is just figurative.
It's not real blood coming out of there?
Yeah.
Look at that one. That looks like a comfy pool. Comfy hot tub.
I don't know about that. Some bloop bloopity bloop.
There's a big crater up there.
Now I get what the pot comes from. I hear some bloops up there.
Some bloops.
And deep sounding
Keep off.
bloops.
That's for sure. There's that deep loop. Oh, there's a big mound over here. Sounds muddy. What do you think? Oh. Ooh. Oh, you can see it over here, the mud. Lub, lub. I like how that sounds. I wonder if you stepped on that, if you would just sink.
These ones are lighter and sound like blop, 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 blop.
Yeah, they do.
Ooh, there's one over there. That's really that?
Oh, we gotta go down. We're gonna go around the loop. There's some red. We found red. Ooh, what color of water is that? Smoky blue. That one's white.
Mostly water.